So, I normally don't do these types of videos, but this is my response to Birdkeeper Toby's Wants the Battle tag. There are 7, technically 8 questions, but I'm only going to do 7. Well, 7 out of the 8. You can see I'm bad at this type of stuff. So question 1 is, where is your username from? I've gone through multiple username changes in the past, since 2015 when I started, but my current username, CT-32000, is a mix between an alteration of my birth year and something that has to do with clone troopers from Star Wars. The clone trooper part is where clone troopers have a designation number. So, for example, Clone Captain Rex, he's CC for Clone Captain and the numbers I forget. So with me, mine is CT, which means Clone Trooper, and then 32000. No, 3200, 2 zeros, which is an alteration of my birth year, which is 2003. So that's where my username came from. Cross that. Number 2 is the coolest Pokemon thing I've got this year. I don't get a lot of stuff throughout the year, mostly on my birthday and Christmas. But I guess is the coolest thing I've gotten is this Pokeball plush thing, whatever you want to call it, that I got for my birthday from a friend. So I guess you would count that as something cool? I don't know. Cross that off. What video am I most proud of making this year? Probably the 3-minute and 28-second long Pokemon tribute I did. Cross that off. Number 4 is what has your best Pokemon memory of this year been? Either going to see the Pokemon movie that came out in theaters, or catching a shiny female Jangmo-o in a love ball in 92 eggs in Pokemon Sun. So I can cross that off. Number 5 is, what advice would you give to someone starting out? Do what you want. If you have an idea, do it. No one's telling you to stop. Because strangely responsible to me to say that. Cross you off. Number 6 is, what can your viewers expect from you next year? More or less the same stupid skits of me and my friends, clips of Pokemon, those slideshow videos I do. Yeah, I have a lamp over there so you can see my shadow. I have a lamp over there so that's why you can see the shadow of my hand. And number 7 is, shout out a smaller channel your viewers will love. So I'm going to shout out my friend, good friend from school, the Ramen Sage Calvin, or as I call him in his real name, Samaj. Yes, it's James backwards. Shut up. So I'll put a link to his first video in the description. And number 8 is, tag 3 people to do this, but I'm not gonna do that because why should I? I mean, the whole basis of the tag video is to tag 3 people. But if I were to tag 3 people, I would probably again tag the Ramen Sage Calvin or Samaj. Joe the Boss 05. And no one else. That's it. Bye.